Greetings, today we're looking at a standalone private house right next to Black Mountain Golf Course. Lovely bar area here, cheeky. Barbecue, kitchen, sala, great area to hang out with right by the pool. But let's start at the start. Electronic gate access, large driveway leading to a double carport, behind which one of my favorite parts to this house is this kind of man cave, gym, workshop, storage, multi-purpose room. Really handy, and it's a really good size as well. So inside we have 4 bedrooms, a media room and an office. Nice open plan living area here. Modern kitchen, fully equipped dishwasher, oven, everything you might need. Nice and bright. Okay, media room here could be again repurposed or multi-use. I think it's used for karaoke. We've got an Elvis fan here. Okay, guest bedroom. There's 2 very similar guest bedrooms. I think this is the smallest. Then a small little office area. Guest bathroom. Floor to ceiling tiles in all the bathrooms. Yeah, so this bedroom is a little bit bigger. And then the first of 2 ensuite bedrooms. Clearly this is a children's room currently, with a bathtub. This home was just finished in 2024. Really immaculate condition. Master bedroom here with pool access. Double sink bathroom. And a good sized walk-in closet. This one's about 50-50 his and hers, unusual. So we'll have another little look outside. We're looking right at Black Mountain Golf Course and International School, wakeboarding park, and everything is just literally 2 minutes around the corner. Maybe not even that. Good size covered terrace here. Finish off with the guest bathroom, which is outside, so really handy for pool users or people sat at the bar. And just as a recap, here is the basic information. You know what to do if you're interested. Please drop me a line or let me know your thoughts down below. Be happy to hear any comments or feedback. Thank you for watching. See you next time.